Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog.
Retirement is one of the biggest transitions in life, but preparation is key. But before you say goodbye to the 9 to 5 grind, you may want to make 5 smart purchases that will make your retirement more comfortable, secure, and enjoyable.
So stick around because the last one will literally save your life. First, let's talk about walking shoes.
Since retirement often involves a lot of traveling, a lot of exploration, and long walks.
Yeah,
Right? So you will need something so that to prevent you from getting sore feet or ano pa, mga
injuries. Right?
Yeah. Make it like even worse. Yeah, injuries.
You know what? I heard na a lot of people buy these shoes. I don't know if you've heard yung Hoka and On Cloud. I'm sure you guys have heard about that one. If not, check it out.
They're okay. I'll carry it out. They're not cheap, but at least you get the support that you need for your shoes, right? And for your feet.
Right.
Right?
But then you can also buy these ones, like, if it goes on sale, para makamura ng konti, di ba?
Since you're going to be traveling a lot, it's a good start that you have comfortable shoes to begin with.
Yeah, and a lot of people say, like, invest in good shoes.
Yeah, I would do that. This is not just for traveling, but this is also for exercise, your leisure times.
Yeah, and for your adventures for the years to come. That's why a good pair of shoes is something that you might want to invest in, especially when you go into retirement.
Next on the list is purchasing a reliable car. Can you imagine hitting the road and constantly breaking down? It beats the whole purpose, and you won't have any
security
or freedom.
Kasi di ba nga when in retirement, that's the time that you go on road trips. So you're gonna need the car. And also when you need to do some errands, so kailangan mo ng kotse.
Yeah.
You need a reliable one.
Right.
Diba?
But it doesn't have to be brand new. Even a certified
pre-owned
vehicle, that'll do.
That's really good.
Yeah.
And what car do you prefer?
Preferably I want Japanese, specifically mga Toyotas. I've always owned Toyotas and they're very, very reliable.
And if you can pay in cash, the better. Kasi di ba when you go into retirement, as much as possible, you don't want to have like a mga monthly payments anymore, right?
Yeah.
So set aside money to buy a good car for your retirement. Number 3 naman on the list is complete your vision and dental works before retirement.
Now, for dental work, we're talking about, like, let's say major procedures. Let's say a crown or if you actually need, like, let's say a root canal
or mga implants kaya.
Implants. It would be better if you have it done already before even retirement.
Yeah, you know what? We have a short story because a few weeks ago we went to our dentist
for cleaning.
Yeah, for regular
cleaning,
routine, diba?
Yeah.
Routine checkup. And she was telling us that she has patients who are planning to retire and they're like really doing all these works before retirement. Kasi nga, when you go into retirement, this is not covered by Medicare A and B. You could also have like Medicare Advantage plans, and I think there's like some coverage doon. Pero there's still like deductibles and may premiums. So gagasta ka pa rin. Or you can also get yung mga standalone na insurance.
Right.
But then again, out of pocket pa rin yun. Diba?
Yeah. Laking bagay rin yan.
And then, kunyari, yung mga sa vision naman, what can you do? Paggawa ka na ng salamin.
Yeah.
Diba?
So, before you retire, you need to schedule those fillings, yung mga crowns,
mga
eye exams, mga root canal.
Sabay-sabay na lahat.
Sabay
yung mga iba, they do it like maybe like a few years before or yung mga cleaning mismo, like maybe the year before you retire, diba?
Yeah.
So when you do all those procedures and yung mga exams na yon, it's easier and much cheaper to use your employer's insurance plans, diba? And then in the future, pag nasa retirement ka na, pag naisip mo yon, buti na lang nagawa ko na yon way before. Kasi makakatipid ka pa and you don't have to spend money or you have to
out of pocket
expense.
Now, fourth on the list, you need to tackle those big home repairs,
Mhm.
like what's this, a leaky roof, or maybe a busted water heater, diba? Kasi
Oo.
retirement is for the fun stuff, not for,
I know.
all that repairs and all that headache.
So you have to do a thorough home inspection. Para
Mhm.
kang bumibili ng bagong bahay, no?
Yeah.
You have to check everything, ano ba yung sa plumbing mo.
What needs to be replaced.
Oo.
But you need to prioritize first. Let's
Mm-mm.
say, ang problema palagi, yung nagli-leak ang roof. Yun. Do that first.
Oo.
And then you go, to the less.
Oh, little by little. Basta
yeah.
before retirement, try to do all those big,
Yeah.
repairs already.
But slowly by slowly. Hindi
Yeah.
pwedeng sabay-sabay. Kung
Oo.
kaya mo.
Oo,
Yun.
kaya. Oo. Tapos naisip namin, ano yung plano natin na we're gonna make a list of all our appliances and check kailan ba namin binili to? Kailan natin binili
yeah.
yung fridge,
Yeah.
yung water heater,
Water heater,
mga stove.
oven. Yan, yung mga ganun.
Kunyari, and then check the lifespan of the
Yeah.
appliance and then see kunyari na talagang kailangan bang palitan na to or
Yeah, because sometimes those repairs baka mas mahal pa eh.
Mm-mm.
You'd rather just purchase a brand new one and save your stuff of headaches and all that.
I know, right?
Yeah, then eventually it's gonna
Yeah.
calm down again. Just rather you have to weigh it.
Yeah. Pero ang biggest biggest repairs na nangyayari sa house is the roof,
Roof.
no? I checked it out kung ano yung mga prices. I think umaabot pa nga siya ng mga 20 to 40,000. Kasi iba-ibang klaseng roof pala yan eh.
yung
Merong
sasabihin ko sa
metal,
amin, yeah.
merong tile. Ang pinakamahal is yung slate. That one, it would cost, it depends on the square footage of the roof that you need to replace. Can you imagine if you need to spend 40,000 when you're in retirement, baka himatayin ka, no?
Oo.
So talaga kailangan pinaplano.
Baka mag-retire ka permanently.
Ay, sobrang You know what? Handling all these expenses before retiring, ano yun nababawasan yung stress mo during retirement. Kasi during retirement, iba yung what you call yung psychology of money. Diba? Kasi pag when you're spending money while you're working, ang nasa isip mo is, mare-replenish yun. Babalik yung pera kasi you have a salary.
Constant income, yes.
Yeah. Pero pagdating ng retirement and you have your savings and a fixed income from your Social Security,
Yeah.
now which is, I'm sure it's lower than what you were getting before.
Right.
Parang ang hirap gumastos.
Yeah, because not a lot of people have, let's say, a pension or other source
or big savings.
Yeah, big savings. So they just rely on Social Security, and a lot of people say that Social Security is really not enough. So yun yung mga dilemma. Kasi you don't want to end up saying na, ay, dapat ginawa natin ito, dapat.
Puro dapat.
But that's the reason why we're telling you, before anything else, prioritize, see what needs to be repaired, and do it right now.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Diba? So last on the list is this gadget that's really, really very important. And we are excited kasi we're gonna buy this one pretty soon.
Babaw namin. Ayan.
So, ang gadget na to is the Apple Watch. Can you imagine? Wala kaming Apple Watch.
Yeah. Minsan sa mga vlogs, makikita mo, yan. Nakikita mo, ano yan? Kala mo, Apple Watch, ha?
Ano lang yan? Fitbit lang yan.
Yeah, but
hindi kami...
it's reliable. There are things that we still want, like the basics. But, of course...
Tayo lang ata yung walang Apple Watch, no?
Yeah, a lot of people, no, not really. May mga
okay.
preference lang naman talaga yun.
Yeah. Kasi kami, we only buy things that we think that we need, or that serves its purpose.
We don't need other like extra features, but the basics that like heart rate and all that, and we do exercises, so we need to know yung mga steps.
Meron dito mga sleep pattern din.
Yeah, everything.
Pero anyway, I'm gonna tell you a story of the Apple Watch.
Yeah.
Why it's very, very important. It's about the story of my dad My dad loves walking sa morning. My dad pala lives in the Philippines. So he loves to walk and
Which is walkmates. Yeah.
with his walkmates. Pero at that time, pauwi na siya. And he has buti pang daddy no?
I know.
And my dad has an Apple Watch. Talagang binilhan namin siya ng Apple Watch. Kasi we think that he really needs it. Kasi lalo na very active siya, naglalakad, ganon. So one time, na naglalakad na siya pauwi, and he tripped.
Yeah, it was a very
It's a very bad fall.
Bad fall.
Talagang he was bleeding and he was alone that time. Kasi naghiwalay na sila ng mga friends niya. So, yung yung Apple Watch na yon, may notification yon. So, ang mga nanonotify doon are my mom, my sister, and my nephew. So, the moment that he fell down, talagang na-notify kaagad ang mommy ko, ang sister ko, at saka yung nephew ko.
through the phone, right?
Through the phone. And it also showed the exact location where he fell.
It was pinged.
It was pinned. So, at least nalaman kaagad ng sister ko, because she was the one who first got she was able to see it, na nalaman niya kaagad na may nangyari sa daddy.
So, pinuntahan niya.
So, pinuntahan kaagad. So, yun ang short story na talagang, this one is a lifesaver.
It was, yeah. This is why the Apple Watch is more than a watch, right? It's not to just tell time, but of course, these other features like
it's a safety net.
It's a safety.
Yeah.
It's a safety.
It's a lifeline that's on your wrist.
Yeah.
Diba?
Totoo yun.
It detects falls. It monitors your
Heart
heart.
rate, if there's any conditions.
Yeah. And you can ask for help with the press of a button.
Yeah.
Yung mga emergencies.
And other special features are coming out already. So, if in case we're gonna purchase one, let's get with the latest feature, right?
And yung Apple Watch, I know some may think that it's expensive. Meron namang yung mura lang eh.
Oo, meron.
Not mura, pero kasi may iba nagre-range ng 700. Pero I think there's yung mga 300 lang, 300
Yung mga
something.
basic features na magagaling.
As long as yung talagang for emergency na andun.
Andun, yeah.
Yeah. And also, buy it during sale. Like yung mga
Yes.
Black Friday or...
Kasi may mga promo. No, that's the best thing to do.
Yeah. Yung sa daddy nga namin pinaltan namin. So, nakabili kami ng sale. Ang laki ng discount yun.
But recently lang, you got him the latest again.
Yeah.
Ganda ng mga features.
And then, yung luma ng daddy ko, binigay na sa mami ko. Kasi ang mom namin, ayaw magsuot ng Apple Watch. Pero talagang pinilit namin.
Yeah.
So, for a trial, binigay ng daddy yung luma niya.
Oh, ganun? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Kasi kung hindi, hihingin ko eh. Hihingin ko sana.
Yeah. Yun lang pag kumingi ka, wala naman ako. Paano
sige,
ako?
next time bibili tayo pair.
So, if you're thinking of your last purchase before you retire, I think this would be a good option.
This might be the most thoughtful and practical purchase that you'll ever make.
Yes.
And minsan, iniisip ko lang talaga, what if my dad didn't have that Apple Watch? It could have been a different story. That's why preparing for retirement is not all about money. It's about making smart choices to enhance the quality of your life. Diba? Itong 5 purchases na to can give us freedom, safety, and peace of mind when we retire.
So which one on this list do you actually agree on? You may have a list that's actually longer or completely different list. You tell us.
Share it on the comment section below. And maybe we can consider also your list of purchases and para others can learn also.
Right.
Maybe your purchase list is better than us.
Right. You never know. Yung list nyo, maybe it's your priority and you can share it with us. Maybe our list, we can do
Put it
exchanges.
together.
Yeah,
Put it together.
Yeah. It's not based on the 5 that we gave you. It's just a recommendation that we think that's good for our scenario.
Yeah. So hopefully you liked our topic today.
Yes.
And if you learned something, give us a thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And
Don't forget the notification bell.
Thank you very much for watching. Salamat sa panonood and we'll see you in our next vlog.
Bye.